Welcome to our presentation of the Giiker Smart Four AI-powered 3D strategy board game. The idea of the game is similar to the tic-tac-toe game. Here, your goal is to link 4 black or white pieces in a row. The pieces can be aligned in 2D in horizontal, vertical, or diagonal rows, or in 3D in stacks of 4 pieces or lines that go up or down one piece at a time. There are 2 play modes: robot mode, where you play against the AI-powered opponent, and head-to-head mode, where you can compete against another human. There are 3 difficulty settings in robot mode. Even on the easiest difficulty setting, the AI opponent is very strong. Let's play. I'll play white and the AI will play black. I'll place my piece in the middle of the board and wait for the robot's turn. The light on the side of the board will tell you where to place robot's black piece. The arrow is blue, so we place this piece in the blue row where the arrow is pointing. Now it's my turn. Now the arrow is green, and it is pointing at the second bottom row. We have to place robot's piece there. To register the placement on the board, you gently push the piece down. The human player and the robot take turns, trying to create opportunities for themselves or to block their opponent's move. When playing in 2D, the strategy is relatively simple. However, remember that you can work in 3 dimensions, so you can stack the pieces on top of each other, either to try to get a winning position or to block your opponent's move. As you progress, the game in the 3D space becomes more and more difficult. You have to plan your movements in multiple dimensions at once. One moment of inattention and your AI opponent will take advantage of you. Here, the robot won by creating a 3D row of black pieces. Key facts about the game. There are 32 black and 32 white pieces. There are no time limits. You can play against the AI in 3 difficulty modes or against another human. The game is good for developing spatial reasoning skills, problem-solving skills, and hand-eye coordination. Thanks for watching. You'll find all the links below the video. Don't forget to subscribe.